Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to download your e-statement from CIBC. If you don't have a CIBC account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50. To start, open the website, then sign in with your card number and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says View e-statements. Now, you will see the list of available e-statements. Click on particular e-statement you wish to get. Once downloaded, click on the PDF file, and you will be able to see your e-statement. That's how you download your e-statement from CIBC. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.